are not for man's greed, it's for man's need. The meaning of our life is to plant trees under whose shade we do not expect to sit. Hello everyone, my name is Galaxy Chauhan. How are you doing today? Today I have chosen a very common topic, but nowadays humans are wasting it. So I would like to force on this topic, save trees. Trees are the lovely expression of nature. Many animals and birds live there. Many wild species lose their homes because of falling trees in a very large scale. There is devastation and loss of habitat. Species have lost from that. Trees take very less time to cut but very long time to grow. The benefits that trees give us for environment and life cannot be recreated by nothing else. Trees give us oxygen. Trees release oxygen by the process of photosynthesis. Trees are very important for us. Trees give us fruits, vegetables, etc. Wood which we use in our homes. Trees can solve global warming crisis because they can trap carbon dioxide in a big amount. Finally, I would like to finish my video with a thought. Trees are not for man's greed, it's for man's need. Thank you and like, share and subscribe.